How to promote TEMU products on Pinterest. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can promote TEMU products on Pinterest. Firstly, go to any of your preferred web browser and then type in temu.com. If you have the app, then you can even open your app. Now on the website, find the product that you would like to promote. Once you have found the product, then you will see an interface like this. Go to the address bar at the top and copy the link. Once the link has been copied, then get a picture of the product. You can either take a screenshot or take a professional photo from the Google Chrome. If you type in the product name on your web browser, then you will see different kind of photos. Now go to pinterest.com. After that, log in or sign up and click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now click on the photo option. Select the photo from your gallery. Make sure that you crop the photo beforehand. Once your photo is ready, then click on done at the top right corner. Now you will land to this kind of page. Now on this interface, you can paste the link. Paste the link that you just copied. After that, click on create at the top right corner. Once that's done, then upload your post. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.